To make money online, you have to read this. If you would like to make money online like so many people all over the world, then you will want to read good tips to get you started. Each day people throughout the world look for different ways to cash in online, and now you can join those same people in pursuit of internet riches. Well, you probably won't get rich, but the following video has many great tips to help you get started making a little extra money online. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. If you find a company online that you want to work for and you know for a fact they are legitimate, expect that they will ask you for your ID and SSN number before you start working. You will need to provide identification in some places. If you don't have digital copies of your ID now, get them prior to applying and make the process a lot easier. If you are dedicated to making money online, you should be following blogs on the topic. You need to spend 20% of your time learning about the online market and 80% working through it. Blogs are a great way to find out about new opportunities or beneficial tips and tricks. Don't be afraid to make contact with real people, just because you're looking for money-making opportunities online. While most sites are self-explanatory and can be operated with little to no assistance, you can find out more about legitimacy by conducting conversations with site owners or other employees. If you don't hear back anything, that could be a red flag. If you are looking to make a few extra bucks online but don't want an actual job, you could always fill out surveys. Many researchers offer a couple of dollars for filling out surveys for them. Some companies will pay you via PayPal while others will send you a check. Now that you read the above video, you are aware of all the money-making possibilities that exist in the online world. The only thing left to do now is to put these tips into motion, and see how you can reap the benefits of online money. There are many consumers today who love to shop online, and there is no reason why you can't get in on the action. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.